Plus these coffin dogs out of the woodwork.
Oh my.
Oh my God. Yes.
Yeah, they're awful.
Yeah.
They're awful. Nobody wants to treat them anymore because they're
I can see
coming
their
out of
rage.
everywhere. And then some are responding great, some aren't.
And owners don't understand that even though the bronchopneumonia is gone, they still may cough.
Yeah.
They may still cough for 10 to 12 weeks, but the dog is not dying. It is okay because we took an x-ray that shows that it doesn't have bronchopneumonia.
Yeah.
It is fine.
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
We're doing what we can.